Square cake pan. 9 by 9 inch made of 100% pure silicone, with no fillers. Meets European silicone bakeware, part of the Essentials line by Yeap. Quality, function and value. Portion of proceeds supports C-cap. Heat up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. High quality construction. Long-lasting performance. Mrs.Anderson's Baking 43636 9-inch square cake pan, non-stick European grade silicone. Top reviews from the United States. Very nice. I am very pleased. Love the fact that it is soft and stretchable. It helps remove the baked goods with ease and comfort. I make all my baked goods at home, bread, loaf, cookies, pizza etc., for a year now. I hardly ever buy baked good from the stores. I received these items with some other varieties from the same seller last week, and I finally used the loaf pan set of 2 and this square cake pan to make artisan bread last night. Yeap, I made a large Turkish pide style square bread. I like the fact they are soft and stretchable. It is a lot easier to remove the baked goods from the pan and leave no crumbs, unlike other items I used in the past. The other nice thing I noticed was the side and the bottom of the bread was softer, unlike before. First, I thought the bread probably was not baked properly, so I kept them a little longer. Once the baked goods cooled down, they were still very soft but baked properly and tasted delicious.